Hi, I'm Mr. Ang, 49 this year. I had a few medical issues. One issue was a slip disc, resulting in my backache, occasionally lump in both of my thighs. The other issue is snoring, always blockage and less oxygen intake, resulting always tired. Sought help from a polyclinic, but long waiting time in the government structured hospital. It takes months before it was scheduled to consult by a specialist. My buddy introduced premium care to me. That was my first time meeting up with the premium care consultant. He is nice and helpful chap. I could say there's a squad that has great medical knowledge. Premium care will present the option to me based on my medical coverage, so I can decide how is the best to proceed. Premium care ensures that all inquiries were answered, follow with all the medical appointments, surgery till post-ops, basically covering pre, during, and post on the administrative to ensure issues are completely settled and fully closure. I have two doctors in mind that I want to thank. First is Dr. Henry, the orthopedic specialist. You can see he's very experienced, especially explaining my slip disc condition, using easy understanding English rather than using those medical acronyms. Another specialist I would like to thank is Dr. Leong, the ENT specialist. A very skillful and super duper experienced in ENT specialist. He always made me feel comfortable and relaxed, although require poking in my nose. Yes, I will introduce my family, friends and colleagues. Without premium care giving the advice and guidance, I did not really know what to seek private treatment with my existing coverage. I thank Premium Care for the 24/7 standby. I can call in any time to Premium Care to seek assistance and advice. Premium Care will answer and swiftly arrange all the necessary follow-up requirements. Cheers to the Premium Care. Thank you.